Thanks for joining me. Today I decided to come out to Lake Lavon once again, try to catch some sand bass, but what I ended up catching was some catfish. Vine a Lake Lavon a tratar de agarrar blancos, pero lo que agarré fue catfish. También agarré blancos. I also caught white bass or sand bass, a lot of yellow bass, a lot of little bass. I showed you earlier what I actually gave some away. De hecho, di unos a José. Una vez más, saludos a José. Y estos son los que capturé ahorita, la última que capturé ahorita. Ese momento. This is what I caught after I went out again. After I gave those out and I went out again. But I don't want to say thank you for everybody watching. Thank you for everybody subscribing. Quiero darle gracias a todos por ver los videos y suscribir a este canal. If you would like to see something, leave something on the comments. If you want to see some kind of fishing that I can try to catch, advice or something you want to see, let me know. Put it on the comments down below. Si quieren ver algo o tienen un comento, ponlo en los comentarios y déjame saber. Puedo ayudarles en algo. I can help you in something. Once again, thanks for watching. And keep going fishing. Una vez más, gracias por ver este video y vamos a pescar. Oh, he hit it and he let it go. Oh no, I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Nice one. Another white bass. Sandy. Careful. You don't want to get hooked. Another one. Oh man. Okay. I think we found the sand bass today. I think we found them. Okay. Ya hemos sacado 4. Hemos sacado 4. We've taken out 4 of them. 4 fish. See if we can get some more sandies. Come on. Come on. Where are you, sandies? Where are you, sandies? Just a little bite. Come on. There. Oh, I think it's all. Come on. There, just like that. Come on. Just like that, just like that. Good one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Vamos, 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 vamos. There we go. They're all around here. Yeah. I let it go down a couple seconds and then I reel it in. So a little bit deeper, but they're on top and bottom. They're everywhere. What are you using? A spoon? Yeah. You don't have a rooster tail? Oh, they're jumping over there too. Oh, that white curly tail might work too.
Yeah, I've actually caught one earlier today on it.
Uh-huh. Let me get my backpack. I always carry some rooster tails because they're some of the best.
Yep.
I think you. Oh, you got some too.
Yeah, I got a couple of them here.
Yeah. This will pretty much guarantee always catch them. Yeah.
We got cats for them.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No. No, once I like to help, and I know this gentleman too. He likes to help make sure everybody catches them. There's enough fish for everybody.
Thank you.
I have a small. If you want to do something, I have a small YouTube page. It's called 413 Fishing. If you want to check it out.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
Man.
413.
413.
Yeah, you guys will probably all be on it in this next video.
All right, all right, cool. Thank you.
Hey, catch them all. They're all around here. They're all around here. Yeah. That was a nice hit, and I missed it. Okay, let it go down a couple seconds. Come on, bring it in. Come on, I know you're still here. Got a couple bites. Ooh, I think they might be jumping a little bit more. They might be moving. Are they moving or are they still here? I think I'm feeling a little bit. There it is. Yeah, they're still here. They're still here. Ooh, this is a nice one. I want to say shout out to my brother, my big brother Beto. Woo, wish you were here, Beto. Wish you were here, man. To my cousin Fernando, my cousin Antonio. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is a big boy. This is a big boy. Ooh, this is a nice one. Well, relax, relax. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a big boy. This is what we're out here for. This is what we're out here for. Yep. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. This is fun. This is fun. Oh, our stringer's getting full. Our stringer's getting full. The stringer full song. Our stringer's getting full. Our stringer's getting full. Those are good songs. You leaving?
Yeah, I'm gone. I got more than I want to have to clean now.
I never got your name. What's your name?
My name is Don.
Don Amorwell. It's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
And when you have a check, what was that?
We'll see you out here, Dan.
Yeah, we'll see you out here. And if you have a chance, check out the page 413
It's 413, right?
Fishing. Yes. Thank you. You have a good one.
You too.
Got a hold of a nice one. Here we go. That's what we've been waiting for. Waiting for the mamas and the papas, the grandpas and grandmas, the big ones. Come on. Woo, come on. Like when they like to fight like that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. What are you? A Sandy? Yep. Nice. Nice one. Look at that. Nice ice. Woo. I want to say shout out to my friend Kung Fu Jimmy. One of the ones that has helped me and taught me a lot about fishing. Whoa. And hopefully soon we'll make a video together. Jimmy, we'll make a video together. But another nice keeper, another nice keeper. Trying to take it off the hook. Oh. Ooh, this is number 9. This is number 9. Can we get a limit? Can we limit out? Can whoa. Oh, not again. Not again. Oh man, quick release. Well, back to number 8 because number 9 got loose. There it is. Just bring it in slowly bring it in. Come on, where are you? Oh, ooh, caught him right here at the edge. Whoa, it's a largemouth bass. Do I have it? Yeah. It's not that big. But they like to fight. Get them up close. Yeah. Nice little Argy. Fish are out today. Yeah, no, it's not that nice. It's a little one. It's a really small little guy. But nice little fun catch. Come on. They're still out here. Right out there. Woo, this thing is hot. See this thermos right here? It is burning up. It's a Bass Pro Shop, but it keeps your drink cool. Nice and cool. And it's been sitting a couple hours straight in the sun, just like that. Most drinks would have gotten hot. That thing is still cool, nice and fresh. And they're not that expensive. I'm not sponsored by Bass Pro, but I like it. If you're going to be out in the day, out in the sun, those keep your water really cool. And even though it's hot on the outside, I mean, it's black. There it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, he got off. He got off. He got off. Even though it's black on the outside, but on the inside, it keeps it nice and cool. Come on. Nice one. I got another nice one. Ooh, this one likes to fight. This one likes to fight. See what this is. It's pulling. Ooh. It's pulling my kayak. Ooh, this one's nice. This was nice. This is a big one. Oh, I don't know if it's a catfish. It's a big old catfish. I don't know. Just kind of fights like a catfish. Oh, what did I tell you? I knew it. Ooh, this is a nice catfish. A nice kitty. Ooh. Caught him on the rooster tail. See, that's why I say this is one of my favorite. Yeah, I know. Oh, you just better gotta be careful. Look at this. The nice ice. Woo. This is a good eater. Woo. Okay, see if we can put him on stringer. I'll get without letting him loose. Yeah. You're not. Usually I never miss them. I already missed like 2 or 3 of them already. Not this one. Not this one. Ooh, may have missed the last one, but I'm not gonna miss this one. Ooh. Oh, another catfish. Ooh, catching some catfish today. I think we're gonna have some catfish today. Some kitties. Yes, it's kitties. You have some partners. Ooh. Oh yeah. My 3rd catfish. And I think we're gonna have a catfish fry. They're communicating to each other. Like, don't let them put them on your stringer. Don't let them put it on. Got about 10 of them on there, 10, 11. And some that we let go back in the water. I'm not gonna say any names, but yeah, throw right back out there. Come on, fishes. Come on. Catching them today. There we go. There's another one. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. Come on. Nice. Nice. Might be another catfish. That's fine. Doing a catfish fry today. Oh yeah, this is catfish. This is a catfish. Maybe. No, it's a sandy. It's, oh, did he get off? No. He's trying to escape. Come on in, Sandy. Come on in. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Oh man. I got pooped by somebody. Probably the catfish. Catfish are very known poopers. Come on, fishes. When I get them right in that. Okay, we're gonna have to share a spot because you share with this guy right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost slipped. Come on, double up, double up. I think it's another catfish. Yep, another catfish. My fourth cat. Ooh, and these are. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. This is nice. This one's nice. Ooh. Ooh. I think this is the biggest one of the day. Oh, man, I want to put him on the stringer. Look at this. Look at this guy. Ooh. This is a good eater size right here. This is eater size right here. Got to figure out how I'm going to put him on a stringer. It might be too big for my stringer. Thank you. Going for dinner. Estas son las buenas. Es que estaba esperando. A ver si lo puedo. A ver si. There we go. Come on. There we go. Woo, he just barely fit on there. Oh, maybe it is a nice one. Got hair close. Woo! Woo! What was that? Aquí estamos con los pescados, les di a don José. Aquí están los pescados, a ver si podemos sacar un poco más. Bueno conocer a José, a ver si un día vamos a pescar. Hasta la próxima. Bye. Everybody to meet my friend Daffy. This is Daffy right here. See, he's a good friend of mine. How you doing, Daffy? Yeah. You know where the fish are at? I'm looking for the fish. You know where the fish are at? I'm trying to get some fish. You want to come to the house? Hey, trying to eat my string? You can meet my daughter Natalie and my son Rolito. They would like you. Oh, don't get scared. It's just a wave. It's just a wave. I met him today. He's my good friend now. We've become good friends. Yeah, you want to come to the house? Yeah, I think you can come to the house if you want to. I don't have no swimming pool, but the lake's close to the house. What do you say? Want to come to the house? I got more bread at the house. Well, I have bread at the house. I don't have any with me. I don't have any bread with me right now. You want to eat that thing, the string? There's fish on the string. Look. You want these fish? Is that what you want? That's my friend Daffy.